2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. What is the condition of the hybrid battery of this vehicle? It's been driving for the past 4 years, and after doing a battery capacity test, it's showing me 60% of state of health. So let's take it out and service for the first time. Obviously, of course, we're gonna have to take out the back seat. Here we go. So what do you say if you give us a support by liking and subscribing to this channel? This is the only way that you can help us make way more amazing content about hybrid electric vehicle educational battery servicing. So go ahead, like and subscribe. Is why this Toyota Corolla that's been driving for 4 years has only 60% of capacity. So in order to find out, let's open up the battery and I'll show you. Okay, the moment of truth. Dust and debris, but the very, very truth, it's inside the battery. Let me show you. Oh wow, a vehicle with not such a long mileage that's been driving for a few years and nobody has ever touched this battery before. Look at the level of corrosion between the connection, and this is exactly the problem over time. If there's a high amount of current flowing between one battery and another in order to make the vehicle drive, and then you add lots of high resistance due to the corrosion, that is going to make the battery, especially here in the middle, to heat or overheat. And then because of that, the modules are going to lose capacities. Hence, they're going to discharge faster than another. That's how the battery goes unbalanced, losing overall capacity. So in order to solve this problem, what we need to do is apply a 50% of rotation, replace disconnecting lugs to reduce the resistance as much as we can, and then connect the machine to our prolonged charger for at least 24 hours, and that's how we're going to force rebalance the battery. As long as there's no lost capacity in some of the modules that suffer heat stress, the battery should be just fine. This is how the battery restores its maximum capacity. Now come on over and let's take a closer look. Look at the amount of high level of resistance of the module, which is exactly what makes them overheat. What about the other side over here? Let's open it up. Let's check the voltage monitoring system. Here it is. Look, this one definitely not looking good. What about the other one? There's exactly my point. Applying preventive maintenance to the high voltage battery, unfortunately, is a must do in order for you to keep its maximum capacity available for many, many years without giving you trouble. So in the next episode, I will show you the results of how much percentage this battery restores after servicing. So I'll see you then. Bye-bye.